The Pixel 7 Pro appears to be an incremental improvement over the Pixel 6 Pro phone from the previous year. Yesterday, a reliable leaker shared what appeared to be the Pixel 7 spec sheet, which revealed some important information about the forthcoming flagship device. Fortunately, the rumored Pixel 7 Pro spec sheet wasn't kept a secret for long. The leaker has since shared information. Well, hello guys, welcome to House of Tech. Hit that like and subscribe button to get new updates about gadgets and tech every day. With the exception of the already announced Tensor G2 CPU, Yogesh Brar posted a list of what appear to be the Pixel 7 Pro specifications on Twitter. A 6.7-inch QHD plus 120Hz OLED screen with LTPO technology, 12GB of RAM, 128GB or 256GB of storage, and a 5000 mAh battery are all to be expected. However, Brar also asserts 30 watts charging rate similar to those of the Pixel 7. Once more, we are unsure if this relates to the maximum speed of the wireless charging or the actual connected charging speed. Since the Pixel 6 Pro's maximum power output was 23 watts, we're hoping for the former. With a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera, Google appears to be keeping the same fundamental camera configuration as the Pro model from last year. An earlier rumor claimed that the 48-megapixel camera would use a Samsung GM1 sensor rather than the Sony IMX586 found in the Pixel 6 Pro. Other than that, it is rumored to have an 11-megapixel selfie camera, once again, the same as the Pixel 6 Pro. The Pixel 7 Pro will also include a Titan security chip, Android 13, and wireless charging, according to Brar. Although there is no information on software upgrades, we are interested to see what Google will offer in terms of AI-powered functionality. Those looking for a quality flagship phone that is competitively priced should keep an eye out for this handset, as an earlier leak said that it will cost the same $899 as last year's model. Invites were sent out by Google for an event scheduled for October 6 in Brooklyn, where it promised to introduce the latest additions to our family of devices. As a result, we may anticipate seeing the Pixel 7 Pro, as well as other Pixel gadgets like the Pixel Watch. Moreover, this would be consistent with Google's historical pattern of delivering Pixel products in October. The Pixel 7 phones are expected to go on sale on October 18, which is 12 days after the device's unveiling, and 1 day later than the previously reported October 13 release date. Pre-orders for the Pixel 7 will start on October 6, the same day as the launch event, according to Google. What do you think of these specs rumored for the Pixel 7 Pro? Let us know down in the comments, and as always, we'll see you tomorrow.